how to enable call recording for your Vivo IQoo Neo 7 SE smartphone running FunTouch OS 13. Please keep in mind this feature is not available on every other IQoo smartphone, and I'll show you now where you can go to find this feature. Okay, so we'll take it from the start. Make sure you are using the default phone app that your phone came with and not some other app from the Play Store. Once you're here now, you'll see the two dots found at the top right here, and when you tap on it, you'll see call settings. And once you're here now, you'll go and look for the part that says call recording. At default, it'll be set as don't record automatically, which means it's not going to record anything at all. If you select record all calls automatically, this means now that every time a person calls you, whether it's a private number, an unknown number, or a contact number, it's going to start recording that call automatically and will be using up your storage on your phone itself. However, if you don't want to record all the calls out there, go to record custom calls automatically. You'll notice custom appears, and as you tap on that here, you can choose to add a specific number by tapping on the plus here. You can go with the recents, whatever was shown in your recents dial log there, or call logs here, or choose from one of your contacts. I don't have a SIM card in this phone, but just to give you an idea of how this works, or you can add a number. So let's just say there's a number that keeps calling and you don't know who it is. You can type in that number, whatever it is. This is not a real number, and also put a name next to it so you know that when that call comes in, it has a name next to it, and that will be recorded for you. Okay, and of course, once you're done, I'll just put this here just so you can see how this works here, and then press add. It's going to be saved as this one right there. Okay, and that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Like and sub, and thanks for watching.